Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new video here on Insider Flyer. Today's video is a new flight review. I'll be reviewing a flight that I took last week on March 12th from San Francisco, California to Portland, Oregon.
Radios and get us all the best altitudes to get our way up to Portland this evening. We are supposed to push back in about 8 minutes from now. After that, airborne 1 hour and 24 minutes. We're expecting a smooth ride according to the weatherman. Even though it's windy down here, once we get up and out of the Bay Area, it should be nice and smooth. Current weather in Portland, the winds are out of the west at 10 miles an hour, 10 miles visibility, partly cloudy skies, and it's 6 degrees Celsius. That's 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Looks like we got all the bags on board, all our paperwork's complete. We'll finish all this up and get out here early and get you to Portland as quick as possible. Welcome aboard.
Now, a quick story before the flight review begins is that I was initially planning to fly between Houston to Portland directly, but since you guys know, I usually fly on standby, and in the US the standby lines are always pretty huge, which meant that I wasn't gonna be able to fly directly from Houston to Portland, Oregon. So I decided to take a quick detour. So I flew from Houston to San Francisco, and then from San Francisco to Portland, Oregon, which worked out just fine. This flight from San Francisco to Portland, Oregon was on a United Boeing 737-800, not the MAX, obviously. Well, the flight was pretty empty, as I am going to show on the video. I had the entire row for myself. I was actually assigned a seat on a emergency aisle. The aircraft pushed back from the gate 5 minutes after scheduled, and then we had a somewhat long 10-minute taxi all the way to the end of the runway. I'm gonna let you guys watch the takeoff video. It is very nice. A night takeoff from San Francisco on a United 737. Enjoy the video, and I'll talk more once the aircraft is on the air. flight was very short. It was only 1 hour and 10 minutes long. So after departure, the crew handed out a little snack, which was a mini pretzel with a drink of choosing, like orange juice, which is what I tend to drink on flights. There was also a sort of entertainment screen, but the only options were live TV. So I filmed, and you guys can see that the options were NASCAR, and there were some news, SEC Inside, college basketball, so nothing really interesting. A few movies, but that's about it. I didn't watch anything. The screen was just plain basketball for pretty much everyone on the aircraft. Well, this was a very short flight, and there is nothing really exciting about this flight. I can say that the United crew was very nice to me. I had 3 flights with United last week, and I have nothing bad to say about them. The legroom was very nice, but obviously, as I said before, I was on an emergency aisle. I was also on a United Plus seat, I think that's what it's called, which basically means that there was more legroom. That isn't really a big deal to me because I am kind of short, so I'm always like good with legroom. But yeah, that's it. Enjoy now the landing in Portland. It was raining, but still a nice approach, and a very nice landing by a female first officer, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a like, and I'll see you on the next flight review. Thank you.